Hello guys, welcome back to Double Computer Tutorial, where you learn different computer programming languages and other non-programming languages. Now, as we covered the first lesson about CSS, which was about the syntax of CSS, now we are going to deal with way or how we can insert CSS in HTML page. So today's lesson is what you call how to insert CSS in the HTML page. So there are around 4 ways that you can be used to insert CSS in HTML page or in a web page. So you can use internal, you can use external, you can use online, where we download the CSS from internet, and also you can use what you call inline, where we use a style inside the element, HTML element, so that we can styling our element. So now let us start with internal CSS. Internal CSS, right? So we are going to start with internal CSS, and when we use internal CSS, we just use style tag in head section and styling the body element. For example, now let us write like can use this one, paragraph. Let us write like paragraph. You see, like paragraph. Let us write this is a paragraph 1. For example, I can copy this one, I can paste it here and can put here paragraph 2, also put here then paragraph 3, for example. Now let us styling these paragraphs. We are going to do it by using style tag, and we are going to implement it in heading section. So this is way of inserting CSS in web page using internal method. So you just open and close style tag inside the body, right? Sorry, inside the head. Must be implemented inside the head of our HTML page. So after this, what we do is just to start styling our page. For example, we can use like these letters, call P as a paragraph. First of all, we can styling our body. For example, let us change the background color of our body. But before, let me show you an output before styling our body. You see, this is our output. See here, this is paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. But let me styling it, and I will show you after make it style, right? So let us like styling our body. When we deal with just tag, we just use tag like this body, then open curly brace and close curly brace, and now we can give it properties. As you know, this is what we call selector. Then we are going to implement or insert properties. Let us use like background color. Let us insert background color, which is like sky blue in our body, right? So you see, once I save it and refresh our page here, you see now the background color of our pages is already changed. So this is how you can use internal CSS to styling the HTML page. So after this, let us like now styling these paragraphs. For example, I just writing P as a selector, then open and close curly brace. After this, we are going now, let us give it the background color, which is like black. You see, background color black like this, and color which looks like forecolor or color just, which is white. You see, and also we can align them, align the text, align text like this, or item in the center. You see, and also let us give it size. We use now font size. Then you can use 1.3 m as emphasize. Right now, let me save it and run it by refreshing our page and show an output. You see, now we started it. We give them background color of black and color which is white, or for color which is white. So thank you for watching this video. This is how you can use internal CSS in HTML page. So I'll see you in next video where we'll learn about how to use external method to insert CSS in the web page. So thank you. See you in next video.